Worried about the safety of your vehicle and loved ones? Look no further. LocoNav will get you moving. Introducing LocoNav Ride, your go-to vehicle tracking and safety solution. LocoNav Ride is a great solution to enhance the safety of your loved ones. With over 5 lakh vehicles being tracked daily, you can track your loved ones' vehicles anytime, from anywhere. LocoNav Ride is a wired GPS tracker that comes with a SIM and an easy-to-use app powered by LocoNav. Using this, you can mark a virtual perimeter, in form of geofences, around the most visited locations or addresses. For example, if you have a personal vehicle that drops off various family members to set locations every day, you can create geofences for locations of home, office, school, college, and more. When the vehicle enters or exits a geofence area, you will get an alert in the form of real-time notifications on the LocoNav-powered app. This makes LocoNav Ride a must-have vehicle tracking and safety solution for any vehicle owner. So what are you waiting for? Turbocharge your vehicle safety with LocoNav Ride. Now available on Amazon.